On number 2, my first step is to get the LCD. So I'm going to put parentheses around that. I'm going to put a 1 there. And my LCD, I'm going to need an x plus 1, and I'm going to need an x minus 2. And I want to multiply each of these by the LCD itself over 1. And I didn't really leave myself enough room here. Okay, so I need to cancel things out. And after this step, there should be no fractions left. So if you do have fractions, then double check it because something's gone wrong. Okay, so I need a lot of distributing to do here. So this is going to be 3x squared minus 6x. This is going to be plus 4x plus 4. So just a lot of distributing. Here I want to FOIL this first and then distribute the 3. So it will be x squared. A minus 2x and a plus 1x is going to be minus x minus 2. So then I'm going to combine like terms. So just a lot of simplifying here. Okay, so now that I've gotten rid of the parentheses, I want to get everything onto one side. So if I subtract 3x squared from both sides, it's actually going to cancel out. So that'll leave me with negative 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 3x minus 6. Then I want to add 3x to both sides, and that'll leave me with x plus 4 is equal to negative 6, and then subtract 4, x is equal to negative 10. And before we circle that, we need to check to make sure it does not make any of our denominators 0. So it does not make this 0, it does not make this 0, and we don't even plug it into that one. So negative 10 will be our answer.